Welcome to another video by AskMath.com. Let's read the directions to this problem. For each ordered pair, identify whether or not it is in the solution set for the system of inequalities. Given, x is less than or equal to 4 and y is less than -3. The ordered pairs that were given are 0, 0, 1, -5, and 4, -4. A system of inequalities just means that we were given two inequalities. And again, they're inequalities, not equations, because they don't have equal signs, they have inequality symbols. So we have a less than or equal to sign or a less than sign. And the ordered pairs that were given are in the solution set. That just means if they, when you substitute the 0 for the x and the other 0 for the y, if they make the inequality symbol true, so for example, is 0 less than or equal to 4, if that's true, then it's a solution for that inequality. If the ordered pair makes both inequalities true, then it's a solution for the system of inequalities. So really what we have here is three different problems. If you were taking a test, for example, you may just have one ordered pair and you just have to test that ordered pair in both inequalities. We're just going to do that 3 different times. And so I'm just going to set up the different problems so that we can organize ourselves and remind ourselves of what we're trying to accomplish. Okay, so here's the ordered pairs that we need to test. And then we're going to substitute each one into the inequalities. Now, I'm going to rewrite, instead of the x, I'm going to write parentheses is less than or equal to 4. And instead of the y, I'm going to write parentheses. Let me just skip a little bit of space here. Parentheses is less than -3. And I'm just going to repeat that same problem 3 times, just using a different ordered pair. So I'm just going to go ahead and set that up. Okay. And now remember that the first number is x and the second number is y. And in the inequalities that were given, the first one had an x and the second one had a y. They didn't each have an x and a y. So when I substitute these values, for example, this 0 is the x and this 0 is the y, I just put 1 into each inequality like that. This one, the 1 goes in the first one where the x was, and the -5 goes in the second one where the y was. 4 goes where the x was, -4 goes where the y was. Okay, so now our job is just to determine if the inequalities are true or not. The first one says 0 is less than or equal to 4. Is that true? Yes, it is. So this ordered pair is a solution to this inequality. Now we have to try the other one. Is 0 less than -3? No, it's not. If you had $0, that's better than if you had -$3, right? It's a higher amount of money. And so this one is not a solution. And you need both to be solutions to be a solution to the system of inequalities. And so the answer to this problem is no, it's not a solution to the system. Okay, is 1 less than or equal to 4? On to the next problem here. Yes, it is. 1, -5 is a solution to this inequality. Is -5 less than -3? Yes, it is. So 1, 5 is a solution to both inequalities, which means it's a solution to the system of inequalities. Last ordered pair, 4, -4. Is 4 less than 4? Is 4 less than or equal to 4? Yes, 4 is equal to 4, so that extra little line there, that makes this true. Is -4 less than -3? Yes, it is. So 4, -4 is a solution to each inequality individually, which means because it's a solution to both, it is a solution to the system of inequalities. So the answer to this problem is no, yes, and yes, in terms of which ordered pairs are in the solution set for the system. Thanks for watching another video by AskMath.com. Don't forget to check out the rest of the videos at www.askmath.com.